rare earth permanent magnets. Now, why these are so important, and all these interactions between countries, what we see between US and China and India and China and all these trade interactions, we understand how important is this rare earth elements and rare earth permanent magnets, of which China is a major producer, and how Chinese threatens the world by curbing their exports of rare earth permanent magnets. So why this is so important? It is very important because the entire EV industry, electric vehicle industry, or the smartphones and all the modern technologies, what we have, industrial automation, wind turbines in renewable sector, all these are highly dependent on efficient functioning of motors and other things, which are all dependent on these rare earth permanent magnets. And these rare earth permanent magnets are formed as an alloys of rare earth elements, which are largely concentrated in China as of today's understanding of the geological mines within the world. So now what to do when there's an export curve and such threats are there of not sharing such minerals, such elements or such alloys outside China. So most of these countries are starting to develop their own. So India also, we have our Geological Survey of India, and a lot of exploration projects, more than 100 projects are there, which are looking for exploring rare earth elements within India across the country. And the idea is to get these elements within India, and so that we can manufacture our own alloys of rare earth permanent magnets, so that we reduce the dependency. Other important countries which are having some concentration of rare earth elements, but in production they are still very much behind, is Brazil, Australia, India definitely we spoke. US is having some such elements. So now the idea is to move ahead with this, and in terms of building these alloys, it's very important, and in terms of technology also, manufacturing such alloys, rare earth permanent magnets, so that we can drive these industries. Otherwise, there are cases of falling shortfall in production of EV or production halt of smartphones, or the price rise because of the raw material for these high-end tech products. So it's a very important thing we have to pursue, and Geological Survey of India is doing it for India, and a time window of 3 to 6 years is definitely there to get something more concrete within India, to get more and more mining of these rare earth elements and creating our own alloys. So that has a window of 3 to 6 years. Meanwhile, we can look for arrangements with China and other countries and try to serve the purpose. Thank you.